Welcome to episode 1 of Before and After Web Design. In this series, I'm going to take a struggling website that doesn't look very good, and in just a few minutes, I'm going to turn it into something beautiful. Now, if you just want to see the final product, you can jump to the end of this video, but if you stick around for the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through my entire process and all the thought that goes in to redoing a website. So let's dive in. The website that we're going to be improving in this video is Earthchimp. This is a really cool company. They do vegan, organic protein shakes, and they do really well on Amazon. Unfortunately, their website is pretty outdated, as you can see here to the left. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep their current website up so we can see it, we can track it, we can use the content and different elements. And we're going to start on the right here with a blank canvas. And what we're going to do is take you through every single step of this process in a kind of accelerated and faster pace so you can see every step and understand all the thought that's going into improving this website. So the first thing that we do is we have taken all of the content and all of the assets and the images, and we've just thrown them onto our canvas here. And this is going to kind of give us a good baseline of what we need to design, how we want to organize everything to create our final product. So once we have this down, the first thing that we're going to want to do is establish our hero section. Our hero section is what they're going to see in the first viewport, meaning what they see without any scrolling. We want to make sure that we have a really strong value proposition, or at least tell people what it is that our website does. We want to have a call to action, some good imagery. We want to get across as much good information as we can. So what I've done is I've added a colored background here just to separate the hero section. And then what I'm doing is I'm getting in and just adding a little bit of styling to our text and to our calls to action. So what I've done is I've brought in a green for our call to action buttons, and then we have updated our font just to give this a bit more of a custom feel. Now, the next thing that I wanted to play with was how we're displaying the different flavors of our protein mixes. And I don't really like how this is just sitting right here in the hero section. It feels really cluttered, and we're not really differentiating the different elements of the site. So what we did is we added an additional color and we moved it down so it's at the bottom of the hero section. We're using a navy blue background, and what this does is it kind of separates things, gives you a little bit more breathing room. I just want to take a 20-second break from this video to say if you want to learn more about building websites just like the one you see in this video, feel free to go check out my private training platform for web designers. It's called Pate Pro, and inside this platform, you're going to get monthly trainings from industry experts. You're going to have access to our entire library of design resources, which are going to help you double your income as a web designer. Plus, every month we have design challenges where you could potentially win up to thousands of dollars in prizes. So go check it out, and let's get back into the video. Now, I'm really liking the way that this is looking, but I determined that one thing that this was missing as a product page was some sort of social proof, something that made people feel like, hey, you know, this is going to be a good product. Other people are using this. It's trustworthy. So what I did is I added just a couple trust seals and badges. I included their Amazon ratings and number of reviews. You can see right away that this adds more credibility to this page. Now that we've got all of this, I wanted to start working with the content on the bottom by adding some additional icons. Of course, using green for the good stuff, red for the bad. Iconography is a fantastic way to get across a point really quickly and efficiently, and it breaks up your content as well. So if people don't want to read every word, they should be able to quickly look at the icons and understand the point that you're trying to get across. So the only thing that this is missing is a little bit of style. One thing that I'm not liking is the way that the image is looking. It's just a standard rectangle image. It doesn't look branded. It doesn't look unique. And as I pulled a couple of different ideas, I was able to come up with a final image that I really liked. Again, I've been able to kind of clip the girl out of that image, given it a green background that matches the brand. And then rather than just having her in a circle, I kind of made it more of a leaf style layout. So it again portrays that this is organic, it's vegan, it's natural, it's clean. And you can see how big of a difference this makes from just having the regular stock image. So we've got a pretty good looking page here. And the last thing that I wanted to do is make some final tweaks and adjustments to our spacing, to our font colors, a couple things that are just going to get it over the finish line. And you can see I've updated the text to more of a brown tint rather than just flat black. We underlined vegan because that's a really important part of this message. And then we also added a button for the video so we could utilize this video on the old website. So just like that, you can see what a drastic transformation this is from the original website. And I guarantee that a slight update like this to the content, the branding, the text, adding social proof, having calls to action is going to drastically increase the click-through rate and the amount of purchases that this company is getting from their website. All right, so that's it for the first episode of Before and After Web Design. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It lets me know that this is the type of stuff that you're interested in. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.